On April 20, 2026, Praj Industries unveiled its Advanced Precision Fermentation Lab at Praj Matrix in Pune, India, marking a significant milestone in the nation's journey towards a low-carbon, high-performance biomanufacturing sector. This launch coincided with the 18th Praj Matrix Foundation Year, underscoring the company's commitment to fostering innovation, skill development, and collaborative relationships between academia and industry within the framework of India's burgeoning bioeconomy. The newly established lab, distinguished as a unique facility globally, will harness cutting-edge advancements in high-capacity, AI-driven precision fermentation and bioprocessing. It aims to enhance operational efficiency, mitigate scale-up risks, and ensure reliable processes that can be readily tailored for various sectors, including pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, biofuels, and beverages. This initiative will expand Praj's capabilities in next-generation biomanufacturing and set a benchmark for advanced fermentation solutions. In collaboration with NeXuSS, which is renowned for its expertise in microbial research and genomics, Praj aims to create a powerful synergy that integrates discovery with process development and scientific manufacturing. This partnership is aligned with the Government of India's BioE3 initiative, which advocates for a robust biomanufacturing ecosystem that significantly contributes to the economy while promoting environmental sustainability and job creation. During the launch, Dr. Rajesh Kole, Secretary of the Department of Biotechnology, emphasized the importance of academia-industry partnerships in fueling India's bioeconomy and fostering a skilled workforce. He articulated that initiatives like the Advanced Precision Fermentation Lab are vital for supporting translational research, thereby accelerating technological innovation. Dr. Pramod Chaudhary, founder-chairman of Praj Industries, described the lab as a pivotal development in Praj's innovation narrative, synthesizing biology, engineering, and digital technologies to deliver scalable, sustainable solutions. He highlighted the collaboration with NeXuSS as a strategic initiative to cultivate talent and transition from scientific discovery to commercial biomanufacturing, reinforcing the shared vision for a sustainable future. Praj Industries has been a trailblazer in industrial biotechnology, pioneering numerous advanced technologies across biofuels, renewable chemicals, and water treatment solutions. With a legacy that spans over 4 decades, Praj has established itself as a leader in environmental sustainability and energy self-reliance, committing to innovation that supports the decarbonization journey. The Advanced Precision Fermentation Lab will reinforce Praj Matrix's position as the core innovation engine of Praj Industries, empowering its team of over 90 scientists and leveraging a strong intellectual property portfolio with more than 300 patents worldwide. This lab not only symbolizes Praj's dedication to technological advancement but also serves as a collaborative ecosystem that integrates diverse stakeholders, including industry players, academic institutions, and policymakers. By fostering an environment conducive to research and development, Praj Matrix plays an instrumental role in propelling India towards a sustainable, bio-based economy that aligns with global sustainability goals. Praj's overarching vision embodies responsiveness to market demands while integrating economic growth with environmental stewardship. Its biomobility and bioprism platforms are central to this mission, providing innovative solutions for renewable fuels and chemicals that underscore the principles of a circular bioeconomy. Praj remains at the forefront of the biomanufacturing landscape, dedicated to crafting viable processes and technologies that have far-reaching implications for industries across the globe. Through this latest endeavor, Praj Industries reaffirms its position as a socially responsible corporate citizen dedicated to delivering environmental and economic benefits, thus ensuring a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. As Praj continues to innovate, invest in talent, and cultivate partnerships, it remains committed to advancing the bioeconomy, empowering communities, and contributing to a resilient, sustainable India.